Hello Drones in School fans, this is Tad Douse with Drones in School, here today to talk to you about our simulator races. All of our simulator races happen in Velocidrone. So you will get a track that you'll download from us in Velocidrone. Your pilots will fly that track. Your pilots have a Velocidrone tag when they create their account. They'll need to put that tag on their profile in races.dronesinschool.com so that we can match up the Velocidrone account with your pilots and your teams. Now, once you have that all set, you'll be ready to download your track in Velocidrone. So let's talk about how that works. A couple things you want to do. First of all, you want to come into Velocidrone and click on Options, and you want to go to Auto Leaderboard Time Upload. You want that to be yes. It will be defaulted to no. Turn that to yes, so when you run your track, it'll automatically upload your times. It only uploads the fastest time, so you don't need to worry about overwriting any old times. Once you're done with that, we need to go into our track manager. So in the track manager, you're going to download the track. To find it, you're going to have to search for it. The track for our first simulator race is Drones in School Sim 1. If you're watching this video at a later date, just make sure you look at our website to figure out what track name you should be looking for that particular race. Once I do that, you'll search, and then this Drones in School Sim should show up, and you can download it. Once it's downloaded, you're all set. Go back to the beginning, main menu, and then we go into our Nemesis mode. So in Nemesis mode, we first of all are going to pick our drone. You must fly with the Tiny Hawk drone. It's the only drone allowed for the Drones in School Simulator Series races. If you don't see that quad in your list, you may have to add that. It is in the Micro Quad add-on pack. So there's your Tiny Hawk. You would just click on that, add that quad, and then it will show up here in your bench. Once I select the quad, I click continue, and then I'm going to find my track. Now I'll see all the tracks that are out there. I just want to find the Drones in School track, so I can just search for Drones in School, and the one I downloaded will show up. One of the things you want to do on your game settings is set that to auto arming. If you don't, you'll just have to manually arm your quad with your radio, but it's a little easier to probably just auto arm. Go ahead and hit fly. Once you're ready to fly, you'll hit start. And 3, 2, 1, go. There goes the other drone, and you'll take off and fly the track. Once you finish the track, it'll upload and you'll be good to go. You can fly the track as many times as you want. You have the entire month or the entire time frame on the website for this particular race to post your best time. At midnight on the last date or the time that's listed on the website, we'll pull that leaderboard and you'll know where you are in the standings. If you want to see the standings, you can click on the track leaderboard, and anybody who's posted a time, this is the track author. All the others will show up here. Now keep in mind, anybody can download this track. So some people you see here may not be Drones in School pilots, but you'll only be competing against the Drones in School pilots that are listed in races. Hope that helps. Good luck to all our pilots. Have a great season.